Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can reduce your phone's animation, since animation reduction from your phone makes your phone's battery last long and your phone going fast, so this is useful, so let's start by opening settings. Then after opening it, simply try finding advanced features, then open it. So now that it's been opened, simply slide down and you will see this button for reducing animations, and now after finding it, simply turn it on, and now your phone's speed and battery life has increased. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.